Hannah, you got to say hello from Cuenca.
Hello from Cuenca.
What's the plan today?
Okay, the plan today, day one, Cuenca. We're just going to walk around the old town. There's no walking tours on Sundays, so we're going to do our own walking tour. Walk along the riverside, go to a market which has witchcraft? Women who perform cleansing on people. So we're going to go get a cleansing to get rid of any bad omens.
Hannah's a bad omen. Hannah's my bad omen.
And then go for some food, relax. That's it.
First stop on the walking tour is the Museo Municipal de Art Moderno, which basically translates to Museum of Modern Art. We were just discussing, would you have such a bold statement piece of art in a room in your house? I said I'd have it in Montañita.
I wouldn't.
Where would you have it, Hannah?
Nowhere.
Don't like it?
I mean, it's good, but I wouldn't have it in the house.
So we've got a chance to create our own artwork here, and me and Alex just had a little competition. Who could draw the best face? I think Alex wins in terms of originality.
Yeah. But there's a but there.
Mine's more pleasing to the eye.
So who wins though? In the comments below, you can vote.
So we just got to the Cathedral de la
Immaculada Conception.
and we've just paid $2 each to go up the turret to see views across the city. So let's go. We made it to the top.
250 steps up.
It's alright. Not the best view we've seen, but
This is the $1 million question though, Dykes.
what?
Is it worth $2?
I mean, it's $2, isn't
$2,
it?
so,
Yeah.
so it's a yes! It's a yes from us! Me and Hannah haven't bought much on the trip, but we're thinking of buying this fiberglass Christ child. It's just $100. What do you think, Hannah? You'd want a fiberglass Christ child?
We're at the market now, and we're on the hunt to find these ladies who will cleanse our souls. Alex got some of that pig, some pig skin, some corn. Is it nice? How nice?
it's good.
So it's a Sunday and the ladies who do the cleansing ritual aren't here on a Sunday. So we're going to come back either tomorrow or the next day and try that out. But instead Alex got a nice meal.
So I just bought this cap and I didn't know what it meant because we don't speak Spanish. Got back to the hostel, Google checked it.
Are you united and safe?
Now I am, because I got this cap on. Let's go.
So we went back to the hostel, had a quick lunch, changed of clothes because we're going to go to the gym.
I didn't change my clothes.
Ah. But en route we've stopped at the Puma Punga Museum, which has lots of, I don't really know to be honest.
Basically got some traditional historical things from Ecuador here. And then there's actually, if you just pan the camera around, there's some Inca ruins. They're basically spacious architectural structures that serve mainly to house the armies and the transit through to the city and the tambos. So that's
Here we
what they are. Hannah's not happy that I really want to film the Inca ruins. This is history, Hannah. Look at that. Built by the Incas, that house. Not really, but these are. She wasn't built by the Incas. What are you doing here?
So the gym was closed, so we've come back to the Selena and we've set up our own circuits class. Skipping, back, abs, got everything. Buenos dias.
Buenos dias.
Good morning.
Good morning.
This morning we have come to Cajas National Park.
Cajas, C-A-J-A-S. I think they pronounce it differently here, but C-A-J-A-S. You can pronounce it how you like.
Yeah, it was we got a taxi here, which was between 12 and 15, but we gave the guy $15 because it's quite far. 45 minutes probably.
Yeah, maximum 45 minutes.
We just had breakfast at the market to fuel ourselves up. Got in the taxi, arrived here, and it's very cold and it looks just like Scotland. Alex obviously didn't pack correctly. I said bring your layers and he didn't, but I secretly packed layers.
What do you call this? This is layers.
But I packed these green trousers for him because
she's so kind.
it's okay.
But yeah, there's lots of different routes here. You can do like you can camp here, spend and do 28, 24, 25 Ks. We're just here for the day. I think we're going to spend about 3 or 4 hours hiking around. The park closes at 4:30 and we need to return our wellies, so we need to be back by then.
Oh yeah, we hired wellies. $3.
And yeah, we'll show you how it goes. Did you hear that, guys? Hannah's got 2 terabytes of memory, which means you're going to get even more footage, even more YouTube videos, even more fun and excitement. Cerro San Luis is the name of this hill, mountain, and we're just 10 meters from the top.
Made it to the top. Finally. Either I'm extremely unfit or I struggle with altitude. I think I struggle with altitude.
I think we're like 4,200. We have climatized a bit though, but still pretty steep. Yeah, it's very steep.
We're now entering what Alex likes to call the enchanted forest.
So we were waiting for a bus from the national park, but one didn't turn up, so we decided, as you do, to get in the back of a white van man who just randomly stopped, chucked us in the back of the van.
But he's got a wife and a baby, so
He's got a wife and a baby. If it was just the guy,
we'd say no.
I mean, even with the child, I'm still a bit like...
So yeah, we'll see if we get home safe. We got 45 minutes sitting here.
Not like...
Hello everyone. Spent the whole day traveling from Cuenca. This whole day traveling from Cuenca to Montañita, and we've just arrived, checked into the Selena hostel, of course, and we're just in time for this. This is where we will be doing yoga today with this lovely view. I got up this morning and went for a run along the beach, which was really nice, and then we had some breakfast and a coffee, and then free yoga at Selena. So yeah, this is where we're going to be doing it. Hi guys! We didn't vlog too much yesterday because we just had a chill day, sunbathed in this heat which was too hot, and then just had food and went to bed last night. And then today we did some more yoga this morning and did a little bit of work, and now we're about to go rent a surfboard and head surfing. So we're just down in the surfboard rental place in Selena. This is our board for today. Alex is going first in the sea. He's watched a YouTube video to refresh his memory. What do you do? Paddle?
Huh?
Paddle?
You go like this. When you can fall, when you jump, stay low, stay low, stay low. And then you fall off.
Here we go. Seems easy enough.
Yeah.
Not getting right. So we've just finished our 2 hours surfing, and we shared a board, so we weren't even 2 hours straight. We shared it, but it was tiring, wasn't it, Alex? We are going back to the hostel now, and then going to go get some food because we're starving after that. So we just won some beers because we won beer pong.
We didn't win the whole thing, we just won the quarter-final game. So we still got semi-finals and the finals to win, which we will.
Yeah.
We're on fire.
We just won our second game. We didn't know we were so good.
We are in the final, can you believe it?
We won $20 if we win the whole thing. Wish us luck. We won! We won! You're looking at the winners of beer pong.
This is a $20 champions voucher.
I'm so happy.
Hannah's the most competitive person I know. So this actually means a lot to her.
It does. I've never been good at beer pong, but tonight was different. But we didn't have to buy anyone a drink. Did we explain that rule already?
So the rule was that if you lost in the quarterfinals, semi-finals, whenever, the final, you had to buy the person you lost to a drink.
But we just won, and
So
won.
we won the quarterfinals, semi-finals, and finals.
We
so-
turned down actually our final beers because we didn't really want to drink anymore.
Because we're 30 and 35 respectively. So
But tomorrow we're going to buy some cocktails.
fucking party. Like.